Christmas cards. Today we're using them to do a delightful craft. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Christmas cards can be used in so many different ways. Check out what we're doing with them today. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, friends. Thank you to everyone who's choosing to spend some of your day with me right now. I truly appreciate it. Y'all, I am so excited to share this Christmas card craft with you because it is so simple, very quick, but it packs a big punch. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera because I am super excited to share it with you. But y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here are the Christmas cards that I'll be working with on today's project. I'm only going to do 2 because I've already done 4, but these cards are just so adorable. They're all Christmas themed, and I'll just lay them out like this so that you can see what we have. We have all of these different patterns in one set, and you get multiples. I think you get 3 of each pattern. So here's what we have, and you can see how beautifully these present. This is what we're going to be working with today. These are cards that I did order from Amazon. I will have them linked in the description box below. And I think after seeing what I'm about to do with these, you're going to know just how easy it is to take any card, not just a Christmas card, and use it in the way that I'm about to use it. And the way that I'm about to use it is perfect for anyone who's doing a craft fair or for anyone who wants a little favor to give to someone. What am I talking about? Well, here's what I'm talking about. We're actually going to take those Christmas cards and we're going to use them in a very unique way. They are going to become the cover for our notepad. So nothing about the notepad is going to change. We're simply changing the cover. And I'm going to share with you a very cute packaging idea, especially if you're doing craft fairs, a way that you can package these for sale. But for anyone who's looking for a really cute way to create a Christmas notebook or a Christmas notepad, this is an awesome way. Super easy. I'm not going to take up a whole lot of your time today, but I do want you to have a look at how beautiful these are. And if you're doing craft fairs, you can already see how beautiful these will present on your craft fair table. So here's what I'm using. I'm using the 4x6 notepads from the Dollar Tree, and I made sure that my card sizes were 4x6. Even when folded, they are 4x6. So I think that the 2 cards that I want to use this one and I want to use this one. So it really is going to be very easy. I am going to take my tape. Let's just go ahead and fold this. And I am going to place my tape on my cover piece here. Place tape right next to that fold line. Then I'm going to place some tape this way. And then I'll place a strip this way. And I'm doing this in real time because I want you to see just how quick it is to make these 2 books. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing with this one, placing down our tape. And I'll place my tape right next to the fold line. We'll place tape right in here. And right here. And then in the middle. So now I'm going to peel away my tape backers. And let's just go ahead and peel away the tape backers from both. Now I'll bring in my notebook, and y'all, this is going to be very easy. So I zoomed in just a little bit so that you can clearly see what I'm doing. I'm going to take this and I am just going to match it at the top and on the side like that. Let's get that stuck. We'll do the same thing with this one. We're going to take it, I'll match it in that corner, then we'll match it on the edge and get that stuck. So now I'll open, go to the back with my finger blade, and all I'm going to do, y'all, is I'm going to just follow the edge, and we're going to remove our excess. And then I have some excess here at the bottom. I'm going to remove that as well. So there's one. And we're going to do the same thing here. I am just cutting through to remove the excess. And so just like that, we have our next two notebooks. Now, you can take this, add some tape, and put it on the back. I tried that with one of them. I really didn't like it, so I'm leaving the back in its natural state, but you can certainly use these to do that. I'm going to save these and use them for another project. So now I'm just going to bring in my little nail block here, and I'm just going along the edges a little bit. Not doing a whole lot, and you might not be able to see it on camera, but it does remove some of that color nicely. So now we have two more books to go with the 4 that I have already made. And y'all, look at how beautiful that really is. I'm serious when I say that something like this is truly eye-catching. It's that red and white that really pops for Christmas crafting, that draws the eye in. So now I'm going to show you a very quick and easy way to package these for sale. We're not going to do anything that takes away from the beauty of the project. We're just going to add a little something to it so that it makes it easy to package the craft. So I have a piece of vellum, and this vellum is 11 inches long. I am going to cut off a strip that is 2 by 11. And we're only going to do one. So I'm going to take some tape, and I'm going to put tape on this end. So I put my tape on this side. Now I'm going to flip it over and we're going to place some tape on this end. So I have tape on this side, and if you flip it over, I have tape on this side. So what I'm going to do is I am going to choose 2 books, and I'm going to take those 2 books and we are going to stack them back to back. So the front will be just as pretty as the back. Now I'll take these, we'll stand it up because I want to make sure I get this nice and tight, and I'm going to wrap around and wrap around nice and tight like this. So now I'll peel away this tape backer. Let's pull this as tight as we can get it. And I'm going to place it right there. And then I'll lift up, peel away that tape backer, and hold that down. Now if I want, I can slide that down just a little bit, but you can see how using that clear vellum actually preserves the cuteness of this. So you're not doing anything to take away from the way that it looks. This is actually all that I would do to package these, whether I was gifting them or selling them. I would simply wrap them like this, and if I'm gifting them, of course I'd put them in a bag or a box, but if I'm selling them, they would be out on my table packaged like this if I was selling them as doubles, or packaged like this if I was selling them as singles. But don't the colors in the presentation just scream Merry Christmas? I haven't done very many Christmas in July projects, but I definitely wanted to sneak another one in before the month was actually over. Really want to stress that you don't need Christmas cards for this. This is a great craft for any type of card that you might have or any notebook size that you might be using. If you're going to purchase cards to cover the notebooks, just make sure that you're purchasing cards that actually fit the size of the notebook that you're working with. That'll make it a lot easier. So they have little notebooks out there in all sizes. They also have greeting cards or Christmas cards or birthday cards or whatever cards in all sizes as well. And that makes this an easily transferable craft for any season, any reason, anyone. So if you're doing a fall craft fair, this is perfect to sell at that fall craft fair because it'll put people in the mood for Christmas, and they'll want to purchase something that they might be able to make Christmas notes in. If you're doing a craft fair that is, let's say, a Christmas craft fair, if it's early in December or late November, this is also perfect for that because it'll give people an opportunity to be able to use it for Christmas planning. So I hope that you have enjoyed today's really quick way that we can take any notebook and cover it using a greeting card. If you have enjoyed this project, and I certainly hope that you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, y'all know the drill. All day, every day, this is what we do, and this is how we do it. So if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you'll know when I upload a new video. As always, my friends, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.